Hello, I'm Jason Pufall, and I'm one of the partners of Vancord, an IT and cybersecurity consulting firm that helps organizations manage their technology and reduce the risk of cyber threats. I'd like an opportunity to earn your business, but also recognize that you may not know me or Vancord. So I'm extending an offer to experience our most requested service, risk-free, with a complimentary tabletop exercise, including lessons learned and a certificate of completion. This is a great opportunity to test your incident response capabilities, learn from our experts, and reduce your organization's risk. If you're interested in this offer, please click the link below or contact me directly through email. An incident response tabletop exercise is a simulation that tests how well your team can handle a cyber attack or a data breach. A Vancord security officer will lead the participants through a simulated incident, and your team of responders will work together to respond to that simulated threat. The goal is to identify strengths and weaknesses so you can make improvements and reduce risk. A tabletop exercise is important as it can help you validate your incident response plan and steps and make sure they're current and effective. It may also be required for cyber liability insurance. And it can help you spot and fix any problems or gaps in your incident response process, such as who does what, how to communicate within the team, who to call externally, and what tools or resources you may need. Finally, it can boost your team's confidence and readiness and lower the damage and cost of a real incident. Together, we'll establish a participant list and provide a communication template so the participants understand what's occurring and what is expected of them. This should be a learning opportunity with no preparation required. The exercise is designed to be discussion-based and conducted in a judgment-free way. It's an opportunity to learn, improve, and reduce your organization's risk. Vancord will facilitate the exercise over Zoom and will use PowerPoint slides to establish the scenario and guide participants through the exercise. Finally, we'll conclude the meeting with a discussion on lessons learned and provide suggestions for improvement. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to email me or click the link below. Thank you.